Benvenuto, grazie per essere venuto a vedere il mio film. Thanks for coming along. And here we have Italian motorcycles converged in a lovely, scenic part of the country, Alexandra, Central Otago, South Island of New Zealand, and a beautiful selection of modern and some classic Motor Guzzi motorcycles that just show a sheer joy for collecting and riding and enjoying premium beauty in the form of two-wheeled motorcycling.
Thank you all for coming. Today is obviously a bit of a longer stretch. We've got the Guzzis on display.
Today we are going to go for a group ride as a mass gang of Italian motorcycles. We're going to go from Alexandra here down through to Cromwell, down the gorge, Corral Gorge, then up over the Crown Range to have lunch, brunch, whatever, a snack, whatever you want to do at the Cardrona Hotel, iconic Cardrona Hotel, and the beautiful road that is so scenic and joyful. I'm expecting that there'll be a bit of traffic on the road, so no doubt it'll be a ride that will still be awesome. Going north on the Crown Range, you have the initial upward stretch, which is kind of like long straights with a sharp hairpin bend, and then you get up onto the Crown Range Road going up over the mountain, and you have huge awesome vistas running out across the hills, down and through the valley, looking down through to Arrowtown and Queenstown. Absolutely spectacular. Downside is we are caught up behind a little bit of traffic. It's to be expected, it's the weekend, and you just have to take it as it comes. They're not going to close the road off just for us. Shame. It would be nice if they did, wouldn't it? The Cardrona Hotel and those awesome wedges, absolutely delicious, loaded up, hot, steamy, and washed down with a beautiful beer. Going out the front of the fabulous, iconic, historical hotel to walk around these massively beautiful motorcycles. What more can you say? Let's just enjoy and take a wee look. There was two options and we chose a different one. The option one was to continue around the mountain up through to Wanaka and then come back down the other side of the lake through to Cromwell. We decided that we would take the trip back over the Crown Range and go up and over and back down. We were so pleased we had decided to do that because the road is clear and there is no cars, very few anyway. Nothing that got in our way and took away some of the enjoyment, which was a blessing. It was awesome, man, awesome.
Cromwell town. Some of it was lower than the water level, so it's been covered up in water. So the Crown Range is up over them hills there, and as we were for the lunch or break, we come back through the gorge, and some of them will probably come up and down the side of the lake.
Upon our return to Alexandra after a fantastic day ride out, so warm, so hot, it was beautiful, we parked our motorcycles back up at the behind the club, and this is where it was an opportunity for the public to come and have a walk around, have a look at the array of machines and donate a little bit of money, which is going to go towards a donation by the Tetley Rapid to the local St John, which is a fantastic cause given that they help so many people in a whole range of situations. They do so much, and it's really good to be able to be a part of contributing to such a cause.
That's all good.
It doesn't go when you're looking.
Beautiful day here, still in mighty Alexandra. Blue skies in behind me, blue skies in front of me. Been down at the RSA club and had a couple of drinks, bike show, which you've seen, and really enjoyable. Really cool to see, good wide variety range of machines out there, which is awesome. And now we will head back for prize giving and dinner and festivities. Mighty excellent. Really enjoyed today. Rides over the Crown Range there and back. People took their own wee routes, whichever direction was best for them. And tomorrow's much the same. The ride's a little bit south of Alexandra and an alternate ride option for riding north. Both are pretty damn awesome really, so we'll see what happens in the morning. Anyway, enough waffling. Let's get the feet moving and continue walking down to the club. An old cottage, about 1897. The houses have got so big these days. Cheers.
Thank you very much for your support on behalf of the dart station.
Cheers. Oh, cheers. Oh, cheers. 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 Hey.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
What the hell?
Cheers.
Jump the gun.
Just go ahead.
That was delicious.
Straight into that one. Is that crumble? I make it official. You ready? Yay! That's gonna get you in jail.
Old and new friends. So, great to see you all here.
Some prizes handed out, a fantastic meal was put on by the club, a few drinks, a bit of banter, a bit of talking, and the rest of it ended in a fantastic night. And looking forward, whatever we end the day. So, awesome.
430, do I hear any advance of? Going once, going twice, this is your last chance. 440, 50, $450. He's back at you, 460, 460, going once, 460, going twice. So do they mean, give them a big round of applause. Thank you very much. St. George and Alexandra are going to be real grateful.
Cool. Oh, nice. That is quite nice. Bye. So this is it shows the label here. We've got the cherry port because last night we had the plum port. Oh well, cheers to that.
Oh,
Yeah.
cheers. Here's the square barrel.
Square barrels might be okay, I guess. We'll say. What's a Guzzi? Slightly different than the.
It's sweeter.
Yeah, it's got a different sort of palate to the. What do we have? Plum port. Yeah.
And this one's
The cherry.
Oh well, so we're heading back from the Motor Guzzi Rally in Alexandra at the club, and it's been a really awesome night. And a few drinks, a few nice feed, and some great speeches and stuff given. So awesome, man, awesome.
I'm hauling. I've got the body's moving.